Have you ever tried to learn programming and didn't know how or where to start? This time we have got you covered with the solution that is going to solve this problem for you. But before we start, let me just mention that it's not an affiliate marketing program, nor is it a partner program with Udemy. It is just something that helped me, and I want to help other people proceed in learning programming and find their dream jobs. So let us start. If you want to learn programming, there is a course on Udemy for Java made by Tim Pushaka. It's one of the best resources if you want to learn programming. It has more than 130 hours of video. It will teach you everything from variables to building large and complex applications, how to think as a developer, and even design patterns, which are not taught anywhere else. I took this course and it helped me understand a lot of concepts in programming. If you want to start a career as a developer, I totally advise you to buy this course. It's worth every penny. It's also full of exercises, code examples, so it will even improve your problem-solving skills and make you a very good developer. This is the solid foundation that any developer needs to learn and solve day-to-day problems in programming. That's it. This is the advice for today. If you want more or if you have any questions, follow me and leave a comment.